Today I'll be making a simple vodka cocktail, and this one is called a skinny bitch. So let me show you how to make it. So here we got our eyeball glass. What we're gonna do, we're gonna fill our glass with some ice. Right. Here we got our syrup vodka. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do just 1.5 ounces of our syrup vodka. Here we got our lime juice. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of lime juice. And here we got our club soda. So we're gonna do about 3 parts of club soda. We're gonna give it a little stir. Alright. Gonna garnish with a lime wheel. And here we have it, guys. A skinny bitch easy vodka cocktail.